Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this video is probably not really needed, but it's kind of a neat little thing. There are some people out there that do a lot more than we do laser engraving. And if I select this, we've got three objects selected. They're hidden underneath here. So I've got two ellipses, different colors, and a rectangle. Well, I just did a video about holding down the Alt key, and you could select one of those items. Well, if you hold down the Alt and the Shift when you're doing that and double click, now you've selected two objects. And so you've got both those objects moving out of the way. And then of course you could always, with the Alt key, select the other object. So with the Shift Alt key, you basically, the Shift key is making you allow to pick more than one object. So when you double click that, so we're going to do that again, Shift and Alt and double click, and you can see we have the two objects. And you can see when you're moving them around. I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.